Within On-Screen Takeoff, you have the ability to link your quantity results to a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet. This allows for more customization within your calculations and pricing than what is available within the Worksheet tab in OST. There are a few different ways to accommodate this. The first way is to export your results directly from the Takeoff tab. Once in the Takeoff tab, make sure your results are organized and grouped in the manner you want. Once it is set up to your satisfaction, you can then click the Print Preview button at the top of the screen. This opens a preview window. In the Print Preview window, click the Export Report button in the top left corner. From there, choose the format in which you'd like to export your information, which for this example we'll use Excel, and then select a destination. We'll select Application so that Excel opens automatically when we're finished. Press OK. And then another window opens in which you can customize how the export looks regarding headers, footers, and page breaks. Press OK again. Excel then opens with your information from the Takeoff tab. Note that the grouping and formatting you applied in the Takeoff tab carries over into Excel. From here, you can add columns or worksheets to manipulate this data further as needed. Also note that you can export from the Worksheet tab in OST in the exact same manner. In addition to using the Export Report button from the Print Preview window, you can also simply rope around all of the information you want to export from within the Takeoff Summary tab. Once the information is selected, you can right-click and copy the data. From there, you can paste directly into an Excel spreadsheet. These two methods of exporting data to Excel can be useful, but potentially limit you in that you are confined to the formatting options available within On-Screen Takeoff. There is, however, a third way you can export data into Excel, where you can link quantities to specific cells within an existing spreadsheet. This is particularly useful if your organization already has a fully developed estimating spreadsheet and you just need to link your takeoff quantities into it directly. You must initiate this link from your bid to Excel from within the bid cover sheet in OST. Select the Price Using field from within the cover sheet, and then select either Microsoft Excel Cell or Microsoft Excel Name. If you choose the Cell option, this assigns your quantity to a specific cell location within the spreadsheet. This means that if you make any changes to that spreadsheet, such as adding columns or rows, OST still places that data in the exact same cell location. By contrast, if you choose the Name option, On-Screen Takeoff defines a named range within Excel, and your quantity result is linked to that range. This allows you to make changes to your spreadsheet and still have your quantity results adjust to the correct location. Let's select Name for this example. A Worksheet field now displays. This field is used to select the saved spreadsheet file on your hard drive to which you want to link your bid information. Note that it is recommended best practice to create and use an Excel template file, which allows you to save the information under a different file name every time you create a new bid. Use the magnifying glass to search for and find the spreadsheet you want to use. Once it's selected, press OK. Once the connection has been made, you can begin assigning your quantity results to the cells. To do this, you need to have the spreadsheet open on your computer, and you'll need to navigate to the Image tab in OST. Then, find the condition whose results you want to link within the Conditions panel on the left, and double-click it to open the Condition Properties window. Notice that you now have new export fields to the right of your quantity result options. To make the connection, click on the icon to the right of the export field. Then, open the spreadsheet and double-click in the cell to which you want to link that quantity result. OST then adds that assignment to the export field. That assignment is grayed out and can't be modified by directly typing in that field. However, you can always click the grid icon to the right and reassign the cell if necessary. Then, click the OK button to close the Condition Properties window. Once you make all of your necessary assignments, notice that none of the quantities automatically appear in your Excel spreadsheet. To push the quantities from OST to Excel, you need to go to the Bid menu in OST and select Refresh Worksheet, or simply just press F9 on your keyboard. Now, those numbers appear in your spreadsheet. You would then continue that process throughout the rest of your conditions to have their results also transfer into your spreadsheet. One thing to keep in mind, when you're in OST on the Image tab, the quantity values you see on the left are the values only for the specific sheet you're looking at. When you link a quantity result to Excel, OST is sending the total value of that quantity for the entire job. So don't panic if the number you're seeing on the Image tab in OST doesn't match the number you see in your spreadsheet. For a better confirmation of the number being transferred, check the values on the Takeoff or Worksheet tabs. Also keep in mind that OST only sends the total quantity. You cannot link totals broken out by area, zone, or page.